Nestled in the corner of its tehsil, this village, Lakarmar, is home to the enduring Pashtun spirit. The community is made up of small neighborhoods like Naka Afghan, Chab, Miandaki, and Alamabad, each with its own stories and traditions. Life here unfolds amidst dusty paths and rugged hills, where people take great joy in music and melodies that echo through the village. Despite scarce rainfall and limited crops, the villagers sustain themselves through farming, raising goats, and a deep-rooted love for their culture and heritage. They actively take part in each other's happiness, and their most famous sport is football, which is highly loved by both children and adults.